You can experience advanced farm management with AutoFlex Connect 2, bringing flexibility and versatility to your fingertips. AutoFlex Connect 2 is perfect for controlling and managing ventilation, heating, lighting, chain disc feeding systems, monitoring temperature, humidity, and much more. AutoFlex Connect 2 has a 10-inch touch display, offers remote access, analytics with 20 customizable reports, alarms and notifications, customizable with modules to control a wide range of equipment, and is expandable. The following animation will represent the feeding chain disc system, controlled and monitored by the AutoFlex Connect. The AutoFlex Feed Loop Kit includes two modules, the Loop Drive and the Loop Sense, both with current monitoring, which are designed to operate your chain disc feed system. Here is an example of the AutoFlex screen. Clicking the Feed Loop icon will take you to the main settings page. On the Feed Loop settings page, a variety of icons will appear, each representing different operation modes and settings. These include Safety Switches 1 and 2, Feed Proximity Sensor, Chain Safety Switch, Loop and Fill Relay, and the optional Actuator Feed Drop. At the bottom of the screen, there is an illustration displaying the chain disc system. Before loading the new feed, AutoFlex activates the Loop Drive module to clear the feed to verify the function of the proximity switch and to prevent overloading of the feed line. For example, the loop relay starts running at 3.8 amps of current, while the fill relay is kept idle. This phase ensures the system is free of any residual feed from prior cycles. The AutoFlex Loop Sense module automatically monitors the feed proximity sensor to confirm the system is empty. The AutoFlex activates the Loop Drive module to turn on the auger motor to move feed from the bins into the chain disc system. Now we go to the settings icon. The AutoFlex Connect 2 efficiently manages the amps by allowing users to set specific current thresholds for starting and stopping the fill process, as well as configuring a delay time. Under the fill management icon, you can set the desired amp levels to control the fill cycle. As the amps increase, you can set in the relay's current alarms, a minimum or maximum amperage where the alarm will trigger based on an overload situation. Based on the alarm limit set by the user, if any of the safety switches are triggered, an alarm condition is indicated. The system enters and remains in manual mode until the user clears the alarm and the system backs up to continue the feed cycle. Customers can use our ACT1 actuator module for the feed drop, which allows them to control when the feed goes into feeders, but also permits the release of all the feed at the same time. With the use of the feed drop, we can accomplish 3 modes: fill then drop feed, drop then fill, and the option to use a feedback switch to prevent feed spills. AutoFlex Connect 2 Feed Loop has a simple configuration in duty cycle mode. Each cycle will operate between your active start and active end times. The system runs for a maximum duration and then pauses for the idle duration time. For more information about the Feed Loop Kit for other AutoFlex modules, see our website, PhasonControls.com.